If your body thinks you're in danger, there's a reason it stopped trusting you. Not because you failed, not because you're weak, and not because something is wrong with you, but because trust, for the body, is built through experience, not intention. You make promises to yourself. You promise rest. You promise balance. You promise that tomorrow will be calmer, and sometimes you mean it. But then tomorrow arrives. The pressure returns. The urgency comes back. And rest is delayed. Again. Your body notices, not emotionally, not logically, physiologically. Because your body doesn't listen to words, it listens to patterns. You can tell yourself you're safe. You can plan to slow down. You can promise that things will change. But if the pattern stays the same, your body learns something else. It learns that calm doesn't last, that rest is temporary, that safety is always postponed. And slowly, it stops believing you. This isn't betrayal, it's pattern recognition. Your body's main job is survival, and survival depends on prediction. It is constantly asking one quiet question: what usually happens next? When pushing is followed by exhaustion, when stress is followed by more stress, when rest is followed by pressure, your body connects the dots. It doesn't see effort, it sees inconsistency, it doesn't hear intention, it remembers outcomes. That's why your body reacts before your mind does. You decide to relax, and tension appears. You try to slow down, and anxiety rises. You finally stop, and your body feels alert, restless, uneasy. Not because rest is wrong, but because your body has learned that stillness often comes right before another demand, so it stays prepared. This is why forcing calm rarely works. Because trust cannot be commanded, it can only be earned through repetition. Your body doesn't trust motivation, it trusts reliability. And when rest keeps getting interrupted, your body stops settling fully into it. It stays on guard. This changes how energy is used, how tension is stored, how recovery happens. Your body becomes efficient at being ready, ready for urgency, ready for pressure, ready for what usually comes next. Over time, this readiness becomes the default, even when nothing is happening, even when you are safe. This is where confusion begins. People think something is broken. They think their nervous system is damaged. They think they need to be fixed. But what's actually happening is learning. Your body learned through repetition that slowing down doesn't last. So it stopped fully going there, not to punish you, but to protect you. Because for the body, trust is not emotional, it's practical. It asks, is it safe to let go? And if history says no, it keeps holding on. This is why rest can feel uncomfortable, why stillness can feel wrong, why doing nothing can trigger unease. It's not laziness, it's not weakness, it's memory. Your body remembers what followed the last time you tried to slow down, and the time before that, and the time before that. So it prepares. Understanding this changes everything, because it means your body isn't resisting you, it's responding to what it has learned. And once something is learned, it doesn't disappear through willpower. It changes through consistency. Not dramatic change, not sudden discipline, not extreme effort, but repeated proof. Proof that rest is not a trick. Proof that calm is not temporary. Proof that safety does not vanish. This isn't about doing more. It's about showing your body again and again that the pattern has changed. And that takes time, because trust always does. Your body didn't turn against you. It adapted to what it experienced. And once you see that, you stop blaming yourself. You stop forcing change, and you begin to understand why your body behaves the way it does. In the next episode, we'll explore how these patterns are learned faster than you think, and why calm can feel unsafe even when nothing is wrong.